This is an extinct Megalodon shark tooth. I'm going to make a matching half out of black walnut. I only have half of this tooth, and I'm starting off here. I'm just picking up the outer edge of the tooth to get the profile correct, and then I'm going to take this and put it on my angle grinder and remove some material in bulk. So I'm pretty happy with the curvature of this. It's going to have to be thinned out a little bit that you can see. The edge seems to be okay. I'm going to make the mirror image, so I'm showing you here that I'm going to work on that left-hand side and taper it up to that corner. And I'm basically trying to get the feel for where the line is. You can tell it's getting pretty late here, and this is done in a live session. So I am going to mark this line and start this tomorrow. As you can see from the sunlight, it's tomorrow. I spread this up and I just use my angle grinder. I have sketched out areas that I need to remove material where there's no ability to nest. I got to move a little bit here, then on the back side here, and that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to take these high spots off, try to close that gap you see there between the two as much as I can. This is the view from the front side, so let's smooth it down. I'm starting off with this cuts-all burr right here. It's an original coarseness burr. The first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to take down those areas that I marked on the outside edge that are protruding, and I'm going to go through this process a few times. So I have fast forwarded this for your benefit. Here I'm just checking the fit. This is getting a little bit closer, and I'm going to go to the inside area now. So that's close enough for now. You can see that I was removing the inner area here instead of trying to make everything perfect on the outside. I got it close enough. I'll fix a little bit of that, but I wanted to give clearance on the inside. do have a little bit more thinning to do of the side profile here. I'm showing you here that like thick part of the tooth is a little too thick. And it's still just a little bit too long on the top side. I'm going to have to work that down a little bit, but you know, it's getting there. I don't want to go too far too fast. Here I'm trying to set up my lines that mirror the existing Megalodon tooth, and I'm going to put one on the front side and one here on the back, and then I'm going to highlight, you'll see here, the section where obviously it needs to just kind of roll that top down. So I'm just scribbling in here. You can click this link for part 2, the finish.